think you know dogs? Here are 5 facts that will surprise you. Fact 1. A dog's sense of smell is so strong, they can detect diseases like cancer and diabetes. Fact 2. Basenji dogs are known as the barkless dogs because they don't bark, they yodel instead. Fact 3. Some dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures, as smart as a 2-year-old child. Fact 4. Greyhounds can run faster than cheetahs in long-distance races thanks to their endurance. Fact 5. A dog's nose print is unique, just like human fingerprints. Do you have a dog? Tell me their name in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.